So 1 month ago, we went all in, replacing all our business enterprise tools with a fully custom AI-driven everything app. We bet the company on this transformation. So did it actually work? Today, I'm sharing the unfiltered results, hard numbers, unexpected wins, what broke, and whether this approach is right for your business in 2026. So let's start with the proof. Time saved. Manual processes that took hours now happen in seconds. Our internal metrics show a 10x efficiency gain across numerous measures. That's not hype, that's reality. Cost reduced. We've slashed software and integration costs by more than half, retiring multiple licenses and endless add-ons. Consistency and quality. With AI-powered testing built into every workflow, our code quality has never been stronger or more consistent. Bugs are caught earlier, releases go smoother, and we spend less time firefighting. Onboarding new staff. It used to take weeks for people to get up to speed. Now intelligence is woven into every system. New hires, which have occurred in the last month, get instant answers, guided training, and relevant sources at their fingertips. We can confidently scale up teams without slowing down the operation. Our sales process is more structured than ever. With AI-driven lead scoring and follow-ups, we not only close more deals, we learn exactly where and how to improve with every cycle. Our content production? We're faster than ever. Repurposing a single video into LinkedIn posts, shorts, and blog articles just takes one click. What used to take a whole team a day now happens almost instantly. So what's growing? More video production and animation. Our marketing resource automation lets us do more with less. Routine boring tasks? They are now automated. A better holistic analysis. Our dashboards now give us world-class insights. It's like having the world's best McKinsey consultant on hand, except it knows our business instantly and guides us with real-time stats, empathy, and our company values. Of course, not everything was perfect. There were teething problems in rolling out an everything app. But I like to think you can learn from our mistakes, and we have built that knowledge into the queries provided in this series. We did find, however, that because the systems did look and feel like systems used across the company, such as Jira or HubSpot, that adoption was intuitive. Within a month, we have no outstanding problems with adoption across the company with this whole new way of working. And it's still early for the final verdict on the bottom line, but income has already increased and we can attribute that to the app. And for the first time, we're not afraid of growth. We know the system can scale with us. So, was it worth it? Absolutely. The Everything app proved itself not just as software, but as a foundation for real growth. We would not stake the reputation of this channel on it unless we were truly convinced in the Everything app. So if you're thinking about building your own stack in 2026, take it from us. With the right AI backbone, you can do more than keep up, you can lead. Subscribe for future updates on the progress of the Everything app in our business as we keep pushing the boundaries and launch new functions and modules to optimize your business. Or reach out to us if you want help bringing this transformation to your business. Many thanks.